What's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Got something new real quick from Peace Neighbor in the mail today. This is Shawn Ashmore's little venture that he kind of started. And I don't know if you know Shawn Ashmore. He was the original Iceman on the X-Men. The X-Men movies, like with Hugh Jackman and everything like that. I don't know if they ever replaced him in the new ones, actually. Now that I think about it, I don't know if they did. But it's Shawn Ashmore, plays Iceman in X-Men, and he started this little venture with Peace Neighbor, and this is the Archon. It's his little version of getting into the EDC world, is I remember what he said, and this is like his little step into it. And because he also has like hats and patches and some other stuff like that, which I was gonna get, but I decided not to just yet. I wanted to check this out immediately. I had to hurry up and check out because this is actually the Darchon, the black version. And I guess it's already open. I immediately grabbed it and just paid for it real quick because this is actually the second time it dropped. They had a drop on Urban EDC Supply, and I missed that. Like I think after 30 seconds it sold out because I was literally right there. And then he had a random post on Instagram saying, "Hey, got some more on the actual Peace Neighbor website. Check them out." And I think it was like 7 minutes. Like I don't think people saw that on Instagram. So I was able to grab one, so I was pretty excited about that. I thought it was pretty dope. So I was able to catch him off guard. Nothing else in the bag, as you can see right there. We'll keep the bag, though, because it's kind of cool. What we got here? There's a little card right there. Obviously, just the model is the Archon DLC. But that's it, there, a little card. Okay. Let's check it out. It's obviously titanium, and it actually does have kind of a sharp little edge right there. Now, it did say that it was for like scoring and everything like that too, like scoring boxes or tape, stuff like that. And at first I was like, okay, it's a Prybar. I don't know if that's, you might be able to, but nah. But it actually is sharp enough. Yeah, it's definitely, you can see it there. Like, it's definitely got quite the edge on it, like for a little Prybar. Not bad though. It's really kind of cool. I'll get the close up for you. Pretty cool little design right there. Got the skull and the plant right there. I don't know what that is exactly. The plant, some kind of leaf or something. I'm not quite sure. But it looks pretty cool overall. I like that. All right, what we got here? It says Peace Neighbor right there. Nice little design right there. Little lettering for it. It also is a bottle opener, obviously. And that's actually sharp too. Right there on that little edge. That's actually pretty sharp. Sharper than I thought it would be. But yeah, like I like the milling out there and the little design and everything, and it's got a nice little pocket clip though too. Oh, I just scratched it with my nail and it kind of hurt my ears. You know, like nails on a chalkboard. That's what it freaking did to me just then. Oh, not a bad little pocket clip right there. Also titanium too, works pretty good. Pretty excited to kind of carry this around. I've been kind of wanting to check one of these out. Yeah, pretty cool. Not going to be a long video. Just kind of wanted to show everybody. It does have some screws right there, obviously. I want to kind of check them out. They look like they're T6. It kind of sucks they didn't come with any extra parts, but obviously that's not a big deal. Oh, it's not T6. I was wrong. T8? Yeah, T8. Alright. That's Shawn Ashmore. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. I don't know, maybe this is for just like putting your thumb there, like to kind of to really pry into something or pop something up. I don't know. Definitely like a nice little design. I like it. Definitely a nice little Prybar. I have a couple others. I have like a cheap titanium one I got on Amazon, like for 15-20 bucks, something crazy. Kind of got that a long time ago when I first got into knives and EDC stuff. And I also have like a Vero Engineering Fulcrum. I really like that, but I was wanting to try something different out, and I really kind of liked his design, like I said. I wanted the titanium one, like not the titanium, they're all titanium, but like I don't know if it was just either gray or just stone wash, I'm not quite sure. But I was wanting to get that, but obviously they sold out of those pretty quick too. But I'm pretty happy with it. I like black looking stuff. I kind of goes with a lot of my stuff. And also it does have a lanyard bead, not a lanyard bead, but a lanyard holder right there. If you're not a lanyard holder either. It is a lanyard hole, but if you're a fan of that, I know I've seen some pictures of people with lanyards and lanyard beads and everything. It looks pretty good, actually. I won't lie. I'm not a lanyard person at all, But it looks pretty cool with that though. I don't know. I might have to get something for this. I'm pretty excited to carry this around just in my pocket also. I got some cool new stuff. I'm going to do some more videos coming out here soon. I have a lot of like little EDC gear I've been buying up just to check them out and just build out my kit and make it look cooler. And also, now that I'm getting more into the EDC game and stuff like that, checking out more stuff, I can kind of build my kits the way I want to, kind of like, because I know more about stuff, I guess. I don't know. Plus, I have my preferences now and stuff I like, so I'm really kind of, I can't stop looking at it. My bad. I'm sorry. My bad. It's just really kind of cool looking. Even though it's just a Prybar, it is kind of cool looking. Now, the price. I didn't talk to you about that. It is a little steep, but for like nicer Prybars, it's really just, it's pretty much, it's a little more expensive, I would say, but it might be right there with some of the nicer, higher end models. I think like the Vera Engineering Fulcrum, I think that's like $100 some. This is 175. Now, I don't think the Vera Engineering goes up that far. I'm not quite sure. I don't think it is. I think it's like lower 100, but not sure. But this is a little pricey. I wouldn't say if you have money. If you have extra money and you think you want one, definitely get one if you can. If not, like you can also check out other ones. There's more affordable ones. I know, like I bought this just because I had a little bit of extra money, and I was like, you know, I've been wanting to get one. I think it would be dope to have one, especially from Sean Ashmore. I think that's kind of cool that he's kind of doing his thing, and it makes me feel like he's cool with the little people, us little people. But yeah, kind of dope though. Really kind of cool. I won't kind of bore you guys any longer. Ready to check this baby out though. But if you have any questions or anything like that, or any comments, or if you like the video, just leave a thumbs up though. Thanks.